want eyebrows? Who doesn't want eyebrows? Don't really have defined eyebrows, but that's cool too. So let's get started with the tools and products that you will need to achieve this look. You're gonna need just some basic tools, nothing fancy. First off, you're gonna grab your spoolie and comb through your eyebrows to keep them nice and neat so that applying the product is easier. Then you're gonna grab your eyebrow pencil and lightly line the bottom of your eyebrow to create a guideline. I usually just follow my natural brow line. And then you're going to line the top half of your eyebrow and create an arch that is slightly more defined than the rest of the eyebrow. Fill in the arch lightly and repeat the steps on the other brow. Next, you're gonna grab your angle brush and start blending. I usually start from the inner corner and work my way back. This is an important step. You want to make sure everything is well blended. I then intensify the strokes when creating the arch to give a more clean and defined look. Repeat blending process on the other brow. I try to keep it as light as possible at the inner corners to achieve a more natural look. Next, you're going to drag the brush real swiftly to create a sharp tail. Ta-da! I know eyebrows aren't identical, but I like trying to perfect them, which you can do if you want. And you're basically done! Hope this tutorial helps you. Leave a comment and suggestion, subscribe and like, and I'll see you in my next video.
On a fait la sieste pendant des heures. J'aimerais te faire plein de bisous.